Hello students, today I will explain the concept when the new partner brings in proportionate capital. Sometimes the capital of the new partner is not given in the question and it is given that he brings the proportionate capital. In this case we have to calculate the new partner's capital account. For example, capital of A and B, both of them are the old partners. After all adjustments are 24,000 and 16,000 and they admitted C as a new partner with 1/5 share and C brings proportionate capital and share of A and B after giving 1/5 share to C. Total profit is equal to 1 and we will deduct the share of C and the remaining profit will be 4/5. For 4/5 share of profits, the combined capital of A and B is 24,000 plus 16,000, 40,000. Then the total capital of the firm will be 40,000 into 5/4. 4/5 इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे तो टोटल कैपिटल निकल आएगी फर्म की. एंड नाउ C's शेयर 50,000 into 1/5. It means C will bring 20,000 as his capital. Let's discuss illustration 75. It is the balance sheet of A and B and share the profits in the ratio of 2:1 and the C is admitted into the partnership and the new profit sharing ratio जो है 3:2:1. C brings in proportionate capital. ये लाइन जो है क्वेश्चन में मेंशन होगी that he brings the proportionate capital after the following adjustments. C brings 10,000 in cash as his share of goodwill. Then ये जो goodwill है it will be distributed to the all partners in their sacrificing ratio. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner. Provision for doubtful debts is to be reduced by 2,000. Provision is a liability and liability is reduced. It will be recorded on the credit side. By word is given है तो as it is this amount will be shown on the credit side of the revaluation account. There is an old typewriter valued at 2,600 does not appear in the books. Means it is not recorded in the books. Balance sheet में वो record नहीं है. Now it is now to be recorded. Assets is increased by 2,600. It will also shown on the credit side of the revaluation account. Patents are valueless. Patents are assets and assets became valueless means if zero. Value of assets is reduced to zero means there is a loss. Patents are given in the balance sheet rupees 2,000. Now it is a loss to the firm. 2 patents 2,000. 2% discount is to be received from creditors. Creditors liability है, liability में 2% discount हो गया. It means benefit for the firm. It will be shown on the credit side by provision for discount. Creditors are given 20,000 and 2% discount 400 is the discount. Now will total of the credit side is 5,000 and debit side is 2,000. Here credit side is more than the debit side. This 3,000 is profit and it will be transferred to the partners, all partners in their all profit sharing ratio to their capital accounts. By balance brought down, it is the balance that is given in the balance sheet liability side. First of all उन balances को हम यहाँ पर record कर देंगे on the credit side. Reserve fund is 12,000 and profit sharing ratio is 2:1. It is distributed between the all partners in their all profit sharing ratio. And profit of revaluation, here revaluation account is debited to A's and B's capital account. A's and B's capital account is credited. We will record on the credit side of the A's and B's capital account to by revaluation. And by premium for goodwill we will calculate the sacrifice or gain. Only A has made the sacrifice, so then premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account. A's capital account is credited by 10,000 by premium for goodwill, and these are the balances 60,000 and 35,000. Now we will calculate the capital brought by C. For this we will take these balances. After all adjustment के बाद हम ये जो balances हैं 60,000 and 35,000. With the help of these balances we will calculate the C's capital. C's capital is not given in the question. He will bring in proportionate capital. C is given 1/6 share of the profits, and balance 1 minus 1/6, that is 5/6, is shared by the A and B. Total capital of A and B after all adjustments 60,000 plus 35,000, that is 95,000, and this 95,000 is for 5/6 share. So then total capital of the firm will be 95,000 into 6/5, 1,14,000, and C's share in this capital 1,14,000 into 1/6, 19,000. It means C brings 19,000 as his capital by bank 19,000. बैलेंस शीट, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स 20,000 बट 400 में से डिस्काउंट मिला था, उसको डिडक्ट कर देंगे 19,600, एंड द बैलेंसेस, दीज आर द स्लाइडिंग बैलेंसेस 60,000, 35,000 एंड 19,000. सन्ड्री डेटर्स 40,000 है, एंड प्रोविज़न में गिवन था 3,000 एंड 2,000 से रिड्यूस्ड हो गया था, नाउ 1,600 को हम डिडक्ट कर देंगे डेटर्स में से. स्टॉक 20,000, बिल्डिंग 25,000, मशीनरी 33,600. पेटेंट्स विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड क्योंकि वो ज़ीरो हो गए हैं, वैल्यू लेस हो गए हैं. तो अब ये बैंक का बैलेंस जो है देखो किस तरह से हमें कैलकुलेट किया है. अमाउंट ऑफ कैश बोट बाय सी एज ए गुडविल 10,000, and he brings 19,000 is capital, total 29,000. Now बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट इज़ गिवन. अगर बैंक का बैलेंस गिवन होता तो उसमें ऐड हो जाता, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट को हम माइनस कर देंगे 15,000, देन 14,000 जो है वो बैंक का बैलेंस हम यहाँ पर शो करेंगे. और यहाँ पर हमने इसको जो है वो सेक्रीफाइस रेशो कैलकुलेट किया, ओल्ड रेशो माइनस न्यू रेशो, दैट ओनली सेक्रीफाइस इज मेड बाय ए एंड नो सेक्रीफाइस वॉज मेड बाय बी. इसने कोई भी सेक्रीफाइस नहीं किया था. देन देयरफॉर द प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल इज क्रेडिटेड टू एज कैपिटल अकाउंट ओनली.